Welcome back. If you have been losing sleep at night due to the modernness of your current keyboard and think the only way to put your mind at rest would be typing on a typewriter, you are in luck. Yunzii has released the QL75 mechanical keyboard. It offers two switch options: the Yunzii Onyx tactile switch, with a defined feedback at actuation points, and the Yunzii Cocoa Cream V2 early bottoming linear switch for a smoother keystroke travel. Connectivity is achieved via Bluetooth 5.0 or 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB Type-C for those who prefer wired connections. The Yunzii QL75 is available in green or pink that screams 1960s and goes for $110. Broken wrists are included in the box for free. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribing. See you in the next video.